Social media can feel like a full-time job, and nowadays, as a business owner, it's important for you to be on social media because most likely your clients hang out on social media. So how can you effectively manage your social media in order for you to avoid overwhelm and burnout? Because I kid you not, the struggle is real. And I know for sure that at womapreneur, social media is one of our key marketing strategies. And as a result, we strive to maintain a regular and consistent social media presence. But this is not easy. So how do we do it, and how can you do it in a way that enables you to still have time to run your business, do other things that marketing entails in your business, create content or create products? First thing when it comes to your social media game is choose your priorities. You have to pick your priority and accept the fact that you cannot be everywhere. So it's good to be on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and many other social media platforms that are out there, but it's really not feasible or practical for you to be on all those platforms, unless of course you have a very big budget and the size of your company or your business enables you to do so. But if you're a 1, 2 or 3, 4, 5 person business, you probably do not have the resources and the time to be on all your platforms. So the first thing you need to do is to pick the platform that you're gonna be. For us, we know that our main piece of content is published weekly on YouTube, and then our main social media platform apart from YouTube is Instagram. On all other platforms, we maintain a passive presence. I would love for womapreneur to be on Pinterest as well, because I know we're very visual in our branding. But at this stage, we just do not have the capacity to do so. So as for you, where do your clients or audience mainly hang out? I think the biggest answer to this question would be the age of your clients, the sex of your clients. Are they male, are they female, or your prospective audience? What demographics are they? Where do they live? What do they like? What sorts of things do they do in their spare time? When you're able to answer those questions, you will know where to find them. If your business entails older clients, you are more likely to find them on Facebook rather than on Instagram. So you really need to play around with knowing the demographics of your clients. That way you know what social media platform to hang out on. YouTube is still a really good platform to be, no matter what business you've got, because it's a search engine, meaning someone will type up whatever information they need to find and your video will come up. So YouTube is a free way of getting traffic and eyes on your business. That's why I recommend you to still be on YouTube, even if you're on other platforms, but still try and produce some videos for YouTube, because in 2021, video is one of the major pieces of content that people prefer to consume. The second thing to make social media management easier for you and to manage your social media more effectively is to identify your main content buckets based around your client needs. For example, at womapreneur, we have 3 main content buckets. The first one is mindset and personal development. The second one is Instagram and social media marketing. And the third one are business tools and basics that you need in order to grow and start and grow your business. So let's say, for example, you're a dog trainer. What content buckets are specific to that industry that you can target? So maybe there's someone who wants to buy a dog. That's a content bucket, guiding them in finding where to find, where they can buy a puppy, how old the puppy needs to be, what breed is good for what location, or what breed is good for what particular kind of weather. And then maybe you can have content buckets on maintaining, where they can buy the food, what sort of food they need. And then you can have a content bucket on training, how they can train their puppy in terms of, how to go to the toilet and all sorts of things. So I'm not a professional dog trainer, so I wouldn't know the specifics of that industry, but you would know the specifics of what your client needs. And let's say, for example, you're a florist and then your clients women or they're men who want to buy flowers for their spouses or for their fiancés, then you need to create content that will target that particular demography or those particular people who will come and buy flowers from you. Or if you're a business to business, if you're a B2B business, so like womapreneur, our target audience or our clients are people who are creating and growing their businesses. So we are B2B, business to business. If you're business to business, then your messaging needs to target other business owners as well. So be aware of who your target audience is and then create content around those. I think for us, 3 buckets are enough at womapreneur. So you can decide on the amount of content buckets that you need, but these will be so good in helping you come up with ideas and helping you stay effective, because that means you're not reinventing the wheel every time when you're making content. And the best thing about having those content buckets or themes is that you can decide to focus on one topic a week. So here at Womapreneur, this week we're doing how you can effectively manage your social media. That's all we're mainly focusing on. We don't have anything else that we're going to be coming up with. Next week might be about mindset, the other week might be about Instagram, but we simply choose one theme to focus on for the week. And that is the goodness of having your content buckets or your themes. They simply simplify your life. Number 3, create systems around your content creation. Now, systems are probably one of the most important things for your business. And this is the thing. Small businesses do not tend to take the time to invest in systems because they think it's a waste of time and they're too small and they don't need systems. But not having systems will keep you stuck as a small business for longer than you need to, because you're always expending more energy and more time to complete a particular task simply because you don't have systems in place. When you have systems in place, it will really dial down, it will really reduce the amount of time that you take in creating your content or in doing whatever tasks that are involved within your business, because systems will simplify things for you. So I know that at Womapreneur, we produce one piece of content and that's YouTube, and we have a system of breaking down that content for other platforms, and we store all that. We have a social media graphics document, and that will involve whatever we post on Monday, what we post on Tuesday, what we post on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And every morning we post a quote. Come rain, come shine, come thunder, I do not wake up and think, what am I going to post today? No, it's already on the template that every morning we post a quote. Once every week I'll sit down for an hour or 2 and create the content for the coming week, and sometimes I'll create content for the whole month. So there is a system in place for that. And then we know that at midday, if it's on a Tuesday, we are publishing a video, and on our social media, we're publishing clips of that video. If it's on a Monday, in the afternoon, we're publishing a personal development tip of the day, or we are publishing a self-care tip of the day if it's on a Sunday. So it's all set and it's all pre-planned. And then at the end of the day, we are publishing some photos on our Instagram feed. And these are usually photos that, these are usually photos of me that are taken in a photo shoot, or these are photos from Shutterstock. And then I'll usually use a journal entry, whatever I've been writing in my journal, whatever has been happening to me, whatever I'm learning as a business owner, it goes on that nighttime post. So there is a system for how we create our content and how we post and how we schedule our content. We did a video about how to make your content strategy. So if you want the specifics of setting up that system, go and find that video. It's here on our channel, it's on our blog as well. Lastly, when it comes to managing your social media effectively and avoiding burnout, is asking for help. Wherever you can, don't hesitate to outsource to someone who will do the job faster and better than you. That way, you as the business owner can concentrate on the tasks that you need to do, and that way you can have more time to move the business forward. So if you have access to a videographer for editing your videos, by all means outsource to a videographer, find a graphic designer or a virtual assistant who will help you with the scheduling and the posting. Asking for help has definitely been a game changer for womapreneur, because sometimes it's impossible to grow as fast as you want to if you're doing everything by yourself. So outsourcing to someone who will do the job faster, better, more efficient than you is definitely a game changer in helping you to manage your social media. If you haven't done so already, remember to subscribe. My name is Lorraine, and here at womapreneur we discuss all things mindset, personal development, Instagram and social media marketing, and business basics that you need in order to grow your business. We also have masterclasses that are wired and created with you in mind. We did a self-care masterclass that was about how do I take care of myself as an entrepreneur so that I'm always refreshed and to avoid myself from burning out. Link is in the description below. And we also did another masterclass, Mindset to Uplevel, because your life changes when your mind changes. If you did not attend that masterclass, the link to the replay is in the bio, and we would love for you to come and watch that masterclass because it will surely change your life. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.